One's right behind the boat right now. At least I think so, anyway.
Behind the white boat?
Yeah, it's just going past it, and there's another one just about to cross it. It's right by the boat. One of them. Outside of Whistler. Isn't this beautiful? It's worth the climb, that's for sure. Just gorgeous. Looking out over the water. Just gorgeous. Free camping sites here. I have to keep that in mind whenever we get around to getting that camper we keep talking about. It's an interesting spot. Sure would be quiet up here at night. This is absolutely huge. Very large one. As you can see by the size of my foot. Found a waterfall. The lighting's not very great right now. It's kind of shaded in some spots. And very sunny in others. There it is. This is what we found. And in order to continue the trail, you have to walk across this. I think I can do it. made it.
You see the bigger fall.
They've pointed out from this angle you can see a little bit bigger waterfall. Dave made it back. Hopefully I make it back. I'm doing a two-footed thing this time, so my odds are a little better than last time. There, I made it. We found a chipmunk. It's right in front of our truck. Oh, there he goes. This double-decker bus down here at the bottom of the road. Obviously it's been used for sightseeing at some point. Very interesting. There, a bunch of snow equipment and stuff over here. Oh, look at that, washrooms. How about that? They have cross-country skiing and probably snowmobiling and stuff like that. You can see a bunch of snowmobiles right over there in the winter months. And this is the warming hut. I guess that's where people go when they need to get warmed up, and imagine maybe they have some refreshments or something. I'm just guessing, but I would think they might. And there's the beast over there, where Dave is waiting for me to get my butt back to the car. Checking out the sign. We've hit the end of this road. Rainbow Madeley Lakes Trail. If you go down that trail, you can go to Hanging Lake, Rainbow Lake, and the East Trailhead. 16.1 kilometers. Definitely not doing that. 6.2 kilometers, 8.2 kilometers for the other two. Those two wouldn't be that bad if you had bear spray, which you definitely need up here, and if you had hiking poles. Walking through Whistler Village. Beautiful fall colors. Just gorgeous. Lots of people here for Thanksgiving weekend. It's always a busy place. Here we have the early morning view from our hotel balcony at the Westin Hotel in Whistler. Just beautiful. We've got the golf course right here, the swimming pool right down there, some nice gardens over there, And early this morning, you can't see it now, but a little while ago, you could tell that one of the lakes is over there because you could see the steam over the lake. It seems to have dissipated now, though. Still a pretty view regardless. Waterfall at the Western Hotel. And
Bonus here, AJ.
yeah.
You guys see the seal through the disc.
Just